Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to claim your daily rewards in Genshin Impact, but the game just isn't letting you? You log in, you get your commissions done, and nothing. It's so frustrating when you just want those freebies. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get you those rewards. Alright, so first things first, let's clear up a common point of confusion. There are two types of daily rewards. The main one is your daily commissions, which you claim from Catherine, but there's a separate daily check-in reward that you can only get through the official Hoyo Lab website or the app. So if you're not getting rewards, make sure you are checking both places. You are not going to see those Hoyo Lab rewards in-game unless you claim them first. Also, you can check if there's an account mismatch by seeing if there's any difference in the UID of your account and Hoyo Lab account itself. Stop, let's try a simple restart. A lot of the time, temporary bug can prevent the game from working correctly. So go ahead and close the Genshin Impact app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then open it back up. If that doesn't work, give your whole phone or computer a full restart. This can clear out any system-wide glitches. Also, check your internet connection to see if there's any connection problem with your account itself. You can either switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that helps. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But age warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your email or a social media account. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Genshin Impact again from the official website or store.